Good morning, sir. I am Claire Pasqua and I am Abiliza Esquillo, and today we are going to do our teaching demonstration. So here is lesson class.
Good morning, class. Before we start our day, I request everybody to please stand up for our prayer. Amen. At this point, I will check your attendance. Hannah Magpantay, Claire Pasqua, Zulda Roshana, Princess Gascaya, Queen Ira Tadina. Very good, there is no absent today. As a review, what was our lesson last meeting? Yes, Claire? Yes, very good. So what are the different classifications of dissects? Very good. At this point, I have here picture and you all need to do is to describe what was in the picture. First picture is this one. Yes, Hannah? Very good. They are playing in the park. This is the second picture. Yes, Judah? Yes, they are eating. The last picture. Yes, Princess? Very good. They are biking. So, what did you notice about all these pictures? Are the children enjoying what they are doing? Yes, it is very obvious that the children enjoying what they are doing. So, what did you notice in this picture? Yes, Hannah? Very good. They are biking. Is biking good for our health? Yes, Claire? Very good.
Today we are going to tackle another topic, which is the recreational outdoor activities, specifically the biking. But before that, let me ask you, what is recreational activity? Yes, Hannah? Okay, very good. Recreational activities is those activities we have done during our leisure time. So this time, let's proceed with our discussion. So, recreational activities are referred to those activities that giving us fun or enjoyment. We can do this in our leisure time. So, you can give me some examples of recreational activities. Yes, Abby? Okay, Ronnie, very good. How about you, Joda? Wow, swimming, very good. How about you, Princess? Okay, biking, very good. All of those activities are examples of recreational activities. So those activities can be classified into two. We have the outdoor and the indoor activities. When we say outdoor activities, those are activities done outside. Example is hiking, biking, fishing, or running. And the other one is the indoor. When we say indoor, it talks about those activities that can be done inside. Example is reading, playing video games, or dancing. So this time, as we mentioned that biking is example of outdoor activities, let's talk about biking. So how about you, Abby? Do you have any idea what is biking? Okay, biking is an activity that using a bicycle. And that is correct. Biking is a sport or any recreational activity, or also known as cycling, that it is used or it is using a bicycle. So, what do you think are the benefits of biking? So, the benefits of biking is improves health, builds muscles, and also boosts our health and helps our weight control. So those are the benefits of biking. So this time, as I can see that you know what is the meaning of recreational activity and its importance, and also what is biking, today I prepared you an activity. But before that, let me ask you, what are the standards in doing our activity? Yes, Hannah? Okay, be cooperative. Yes, Joda? Do the activity silently. Yes, very good. How about you, Abby? Yes, do the activity correctly. So this time, I will group you into two. Okay, let's do a count up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this would be the group ones, and this a medal paper with instructions. All you need to do is to read it and answer it correctly, okay? This would be the group 1, and this would be the group 2. Okay, I will give you only 10 minutes. Okay, time starts now. Thumbs up. Okay, let's proceed to our report. Okay, let's proceed to group 1. Okay, very good. Let's give one clap, one stamp, and very good. One, very good. Okay, let's proceed to group 2. Okay, wow, group 2. Let's give 2 claps, 2 stamp, and wow. 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow. Okay, job well done, everyone. I see that you understand what is biking. Now, let's proceed.
No, if you really understand our discussion, I have a question. First, what is biking? Yes, Jova? Very good. I have also another question. What are the benefits of biking in our health? Yes, Suwana? Very good. So it is very evident that you already understand our discussion. At this point, I will group the class into 2 groups. So this is the first group and the second group. So the first group will list all the benefits of biking in our health, and for the second group, you will be give the importance of biking in our health. I will give you 10 minutes to finish your work. I will give you this manila paper to write your answers. This for the group 1 and this is for the group 2. So time is up. It is time for the presentation. For the group 1, you may have proceed to the front to present your work. So very good. Let's give them a sumakis clap. Let's give them 5 claps and then sumakses. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sumakses. Next, for the second group, you may present your work. Very good. That was awesome. Let's give them Janisha clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, very good, very good. Please give yourselves a big round of applause. I was very impressed with your presentation about this. So please get 1/3 sheet of bond paper for our face. So for the first question, what is biking? That is 5 points. The next question is, what are the benefits of biking in our health? That is 10 points. You may now exchange your papers. Write correct by. Pass your paper in front.
So this time, I will give you your assignment. All you need to do is to do research about other outdoor activities and please explain it briefly. Put it into a 1/2 sheet of bad paper. Okay, it is clear, guys? Okay, very good. This would be the end of our class. Thank you, everyone.